My wonderful people, see this matter of a map. You know, get end today, Benin and Yorubas. My people, consider the one where they happen now. They say that the Benin say la lie for la lie. Say they will never follow the Yoruba people. But to come guess wetin come dey shele. All the whole people wey Yorubas include for their map say they will never follow the Yoruba people go their Ododowa. Say they are not in any lineage or any ancestral relation with the Oduduwa. Say that the Benis who from Ile-Ife, which is should go back where they come from. No be small thing, no. I go play the video for you. My people, they say no be small kasala boss for with place where they call Nembo or in Anambra State yesterday. More than 10 people buy as a courtesan crash for inside that area. I don't know when Igbo land become Edo State. I don't know when Igbo land become where we will come and fight Curtis. I don't know who bring this thing to Igbo land. But however, if the whole security agents must make sure they fish these people out in Igbo land. This is not our culture, and they cannot bring a nonsense culture to our land. I condemn this one totally. My people, our brother wey dey call Nonsonkwa, they say that the Imo State Police don carry am. You know, say news broke out yesterday night say they don carry am, but according to allegedly the wetin we dey see now, they say na Imo State Police na dem carry am. We go bring you more update as e dey go. They come give you as e take dey happen. Okay, my people, let me play this video. May you see wetin these people dey talk. Benin versus Yoruba, Yoruba versus Igbo. Well, watch this video before we come back and proceed.
Is that to go and do Olusho work for them in Italy? This is so painful. It is as painful to the point that when the girl, due to maybe she's not been able to know a man, they give her a tray of pure water to go to motor parks and start looking for drivers who are going to penetrate her by force so that she will be getting used to knowing a man. If they don't do it in that way, they look for plastic, which is like cucumber, and they use it to forcefully penetrate that girl in order to know man. This is something an Igbo parent will never do. You cannot be an Igbo girl and you see your parents coming and you are standing with a boy, even if that boy is Igbo, and you have the courage to remain there. You will have to hide yourself first so that your mother doesn't see you. An Igbo parent is ready to sell a plot of land, to sell their Hollandese, to be able to see their children through schools. That is what our parents do. When you come out and you tell people that you studied in Uniben, they laugh at you that you have wasted your years in Uniben doing bush affair, because there is nothing that they do in Uniben apart from doing bush affairs. But when you say you are a graduate of UNN, a graduate of UNIZIK, they give you the accolade because they know that those places, they shape people's mind. Research has proven that Igbo children who have Igbo bloods, they develop well in cognitive development. And that is why many foreigners, once you say you are an Igbo person, they want to have something to do with you. If the Igbo people are dubious, as these people have been saying, we will not be having containers that come down to the east every day by day. When Chukwuemeka is busy serving his oga, these Ile Binus will be playing ball or looking for where to go and do bets or looking for the next human part that they will cut to go and sell in Ogun State. And at the end of the years, when Chukwuemeka is now a free man with his own shop, they say that he has done ritual. So correct that impression. These people, they don't hate you. They envy you. They envy that courage in you. They envy that fact that you are able to withstand anything that comes your way. As an Igbo person, be it any problem that comes to you, the first thought that comes to your mind is Ogademma. That is to say, it will be well. Yes, challenges will come in your life. That is what makes you strong. One no sieki ikwechili. That is the orientation we have. As an Igbo man, when you are in your house, your mother doesn't come and force you to bring something to the table. No, you are not under any pressure. It is your own insight, that thing that makes you Igbo, that will give you that urge to leave the house and be able to go out there make something meaningful, and come and uplift yourself. That is why it is this way. Once they come in a family, in Igbo family, because we need to also tell our own stories for our own people to be able to tap in from there. Once they come in a family, your parent knows all your abilities. For the ones who don't have book-wise based on here, they put them in business. For you to be able to do business, go to main market, go to so many of those markets. So many people who have many shops, multiple shops over there. They never went to the university. But you that went to university, you cannot cheat them. Instead, they will be the one to do you anything they do to you. All of them are part of the trade. Mention it. How many Benin person in Igbo land own a mansion in Igbo land? How many of them own businesses? I mean real businesses in Igbo land. But when you come to their places, go to their Yoruba places there, we own big projects there. And do you think that when they see you making all this positivity in where they themselves, they cannot do that they will be happy about it? So these Benin people, it is time that we put them in their place. We're going with this thing they started, their Oba is going to be used as a scapegoat. And if any of them, we have been giving them these things because first things first is that we, the Igbo people, we will not allow war come to our doorstep no more. We'll be the ones that will take it to your doorstep. And how do we do this? As a Benin, as a Yoruba person, have the guts to set one Igbo property on fire, make a video of it, then you will see the response you're going to get there. So, as an Igbo person, if you have anything in a with onye Yoruba, onye Femano, Bunwanyi Bulunwoke, let it go. Let it go. Let them go. These people are betrayers. They are chameleons. They will stab you today, they will stab you tomorrow, and they will stab you again. And how many times will something happen to you before you get to have the sense that this thing is what it is? They are not part of us. Then for people who are from Anioma and all those other regions, first things first, what is Anioma? If you are having doubt about where you come from, you ask yourself, what is the meaning of Anioma? Then when you have been able to answer that meaning of Anioma, then you know that you're an Igbo person. Then in the part of Biafra, because I was on a platform, Delta King, yesterday, I wanted to come up also to let people know some things. Igbo people are not fighting or dragging anybody for any alliance. No. You don't need to drag anybody for alliance. Igbo is a tribe. Biafra is a nation. And before these people created their states for their own political agendas because of the natural resources we have in our regions, that is when they came and broke it up to that state. Then they decided to put those South and the South over there to be the saboteur, to be the people who give them feedback. That is why when it's time for any progress, they find a way to suppress it because they know that they have no place to be once this separation comes. For Biafra, the sun will rise no matter what it takes. Mazi is doing his thing. If Mazi was a sellout, by now he would have sold us out. But he's not a sellout, and that is why he's trusting the process and he's also doing with it. If not their Oba they ho for that place, by now Oba has sold all of them out. All their artifacts that were looted after they beheaded some British soldiers, when they returned some of them, it came with some money, some pounds. The Oba hid it away from them. He couldn't even build one market for them or a shopping complex for them. Instead, he endorses them to go do human trafficking. Before they embark on that journey of human trafficking, they take them to the shrine of the Oba. They swear in the shrine of the Oba not to go against any agreement they have made with their boss lady, which is their connect over there. So how can you people be giving accolade to this type of atrocity? It is so painful because you will see them come. Why do you think they come to platforms to attack platforms? They don't want the truth to be told. Because even them, the Benin people, they are pained by so many of these atrocities that are being caused by their Oba. But their ancestors, their fathers have already taken an oath never to speak the truth about the palace. That is why you can never see a Benin person since we started doing this thing. Have you ever seen a Benin person come up and acknowledge that they are from Ile-Ife? If he tries it, that very day he says that all his family in that Benin, they will be missing. because they have already taken an oath. But I even Igbo, we know they do all bad things. We
have something doing. We are industrious people. We are all over the world, even in Nigeria here. We are all over Nigeria. Developing things. Not. We are developers, as they used to say. All this thing is enviness. We know the truth. So the only thing I have to say now is that whenever you find yourself, you have to be your brother's keeper. That is the only thing I have to tell every one of us here. Try to be your brother's keeper whenever you find yourself. Try to know how your brother feels. Please, I urge every one of us here. Try to know how your brother feels. Even if you are in good terms with the person, but we know that we are the same. Igbo people, we cannot hear the voice of our brother, and we left behind. We left the person behind. It's not our culture. It's not our lifestyle. Please, let's keep on being our brother's keeper. If everyone negi no try, marka one negi on a more because all these things you see now, look, let me tell you people, the time of celebration is coming. It's very near. Let me tell you people, this saga that is on now, don't think that is ordinary. It's not ordinary. I'm telling you guys the truth. This saga if now is not ordinary. Look, let me tell you, the enemies have seen that testimony is coming, that this is the time of jubilation. That is why they just get up. They just wake up with this misblood, Ilebini misblood. Do you think that they don't know what they are doing? They know that the time of our celebration is near. Even Bible said it that the children of Issachar understand the time. I'm telling you the truth. These people, they know that Biafra is near. That is why all of them just wake up, start doing all these things. All these things that you see now, all this saga you see is distraction. But what I used to say is that I can never be a coward. We Igbo people can never be a coward. It's only a coward that can stay quiet and looking at his people, be marginalized. Oh, egu I know dago. Ana agukele ana masi. Kama mo gabolo sabo. Kamwoni haya. Kama mu gezo aliba kamwoni haya. Obi gade mumma. We can never be a coward. It's only a coward that can leave his or her territory to his enemy. We can never be less until this war ended in victory. I'm telling you the truth. Look, let me tell you now. These people if none obnina nye for mapo ndi Oduduwa wopte. Look, let me tell you the truth. All these things now they are trying to know what we will say, what the Afghan people will say. No, we are waiting for them to come and take Eastern land and the wallet. We are waiting for them. The war between Israel and the Palestine, it will be, pempe kalaya and the Yoruba game, because we cannot just fold our hands and allow these people to take our territory. It can never happen. And it can happen. So let them start preparing. These people, they are very small. They are very tender. They are very tender. All this noise they are making is because of Nigerian military. They know it very well. And we are not afraid of Nigerian military. We are just looking at them. When their appointed time comes, they will collect woto. 1967 will be a lesson to them to know what will happen in this 25th century. We are not joking. Look, let me tell you, social media. So ka anyị kwadobe ọfụma because na these people na ha na-ada anyị aka n'ọnụ mana anyị agaghị ahapụ ha. Ihe nji asụ ya n'onu be anyị bụ ka onwe ndị ga-aghọta ya, ha agaghị aghọtacha ya ka ha si chi ghọta ya ma ọ bụrụ na m na-asụ oyibo, maka na oyibo bịara abịa na be anyị. Anyị ada asụ oyibo, anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo. We are God's own people, the first people here on earth. You know, the language we speak is heavenly language. The language that heaven can understand very clear. So I am a bundibo. I am a bundena azafa Chineke no. I have not seen.
The governor of Anambra State visited the place where this incident happened yesterday, what they call Nimbo. I don't know what actually happened, what go through these children, and they start buying people. Like I said, they be fly with no even thinking. Let me bring you the video as he's getting the governor talk for that side.
Tata bụ Monday. Ana m akpaghalị Anambra niile ka ndị Sean anyị dị mma. Ebu m ụzọ gaa kwụsị ebe ndị omekome gbagburu ndị mmadụ ụnyaahụ. Eje m ebe ahụ Peter, anyị nwa na ebe akwa. Anambra na-eru uju. Ndị cult a, ndị anọ na cult na-agbagbusi onwe fa. Anyị na-declare a big war on them. Anyị ga-achọta ndị amelienụ. And ndị anọ n'ime cult a, ife anyị na-agwa fafa chọrọ ịdị ndụ kwasị Anambra because ogbu mma ga-ama na mma, ọgba egbe ga-ama na egbe.
Soludo solution. Solution.
In this mission, Soludo have two missions: to visit those places and also tell people to come outside. Nobody should stay inside doing sit at home. But the question I'm asking is still remain the question I always ask. Why are these governors from Southeast are not talking about Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Why are they not working for the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Well, however, let us leave it to a matter of for another day. But let me tell you, they say nnukwu mmanwụ pụta obere mmanwụ agba ọsọ. You people are putting yourself to position there will be a time you don't have a say in the governor seat you are sitting. It is coming closer. So I say atọdọ mara atọkwala na ofekofegi si n'ọhịa na so you be. My people, share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section, and make sure say you go follow our new page Babagist Vlog. Please follow that page. Make sure say you follow that page so that you're gonna get our update back to back as it dey hot.